Good day, everyone. Today's video lesson is all about plate tectonics. Specifically, we are going to answer the question, what drives the plates to move? Here are our goals. First, we will describe the role of convection currents in the moving tectonic plates. Second, differentiate between ridge push, slab pull, and convection currents as driving forces. Third, explain how Earth's internal heat drives mantle movement. And finally, apply their understanding of plate movement to real-world examples, particularly in the Philippines. The Earth's core is extremely hot. Heat escapes slowly, moving towards the surface. This escaping heat is the engine that powers mantle movement, and in turn, the plates. Without Earth's internal heat, plates will not move. Convection currents. Hot material from the mantle rises and cools, then sinks. Rises, cools, and sinks. This cycle creates a circular convection, and these currents drag the tectonic plates sitting above them. It's like boiling water in a pot. The hot bubbles rises and the cooler water sinks. At mid-ocean ridges, hot magma rises and solidifies into a new crust. Gravity pushes the older crust away from the ridge. This sideways force is called ridge push. Imagine sliding books down a tilted table. Gravity pushes them apart, just like the ridge push. When an oceanic plate meets a continental plate, the denser oceanic plate sinks into the mantle. As it sinks, it pulls the rest of the plate along. This is called slab pull, and slab pull is the strongest driving force of plate movement. This scenario can be the same with paper clips chained and hung on the edge of the table. The hung part of your paper clips pull the rest of the clips down. This is due to gravity. Plate movement happens because of the combined action of the following: convection currents, mantle flow, hotter mantle rises, cooler mantle material sinks, and the process continues. Ridge push, gravity driven. So that plate pushed by the weight of mid-ocean ridge sideways and with the aid of gravity. And lastly, the slab pull, the strongest force that drives the plate movement. It's subduction zone driven. So as the oceanic crust dives under, it pulls the rest of the plate together with it. Plate movement causes major events: earthquakes, volcanoes, mountain building, and ocean floor formation. Effects of plate movement. This explain real examples like earthquakes in the Philippines. The Marikina Valley Fault System, also known as the West Valley Fault, causes frequent earthquakes near Metro Manila. These quakes occur because of the movement of plates along fault lines. Next, Taal Volcano and Mayon Volcano are located at subduction zones where the Philippine Sea Plate is being pulled under the Eurasian Plate. This demonstrates slab pull and magma formation from the subduction. Next, the Philippine Trench and the Manila Trench are deep underwater features formed by the subduction of oceanic plate. And finally, the Cordillera Central and Sierra Madre mountain ranges form due to plate collisions and uplift. This shows how plate convergence create landforms. At this point, let's have some quick check items related to what we discussed. The first one, which force is the strongest driver of plate motion? And the answer is yes, slab pull is the strongest driver of plate motion. Next item, which process happens at mid-ocean ridges that helps push plates apart? And the correct answer is letter B, ridge push. So ridge push is a process at mid-ocean ridges that helps push plates apart. Another one, what causes convection currents in the mantle? And the correct answer is letter B, heat from the Earth's core. This heat from the Earth's core causes convection currents in the mantle. Which of the following is an effect of plate movement? Yes, you get it right. Letter C, earthquakes and volcanoes are effects of plate movement. And finally, which plate interaction is responsible for the frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruption in the Philippines? The correct answer is A, collision between the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. This plate interaction is responsible for the frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruption in the country. And to wrap things up, plates move due to Earth's internal heat. Convection currents, ridge push, and slab pull work together as the driver of plate tectonics. Plate movement shapes the Philippines and the entire Earth's surface. Thank you so much for your time, everyone. And always remember, the Earth is like a living system. It breathes, shifts, and changes all the time. What looks solid under our feet is actually moving slowly. King Juan Learnings. Keep going, keep growing, embrace learning.